Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use multiple Telegram accounts on your one phone. Well, that is possible and it's really easy. So you have to first of all log in into your first account, right? And this is one of the account which I'm right now inside my Telegram. Now on the top left side corner, you will see the three dots, tap on it. And once you tap on it, you have to go to my profile section, and here you will see the profile section and everything. Now here you have to just click on drop down. Now click on add account. So once you click on add account, now here you can use your another Telegram account. You can just add, for example, first of all you have to select your country. Now let's say the country is right now, I will select this is just for example. Then you have to add your number, and to use a different Telegram account you can't make in just one phone number, you can't make then more than one account, right? So you can use only one account on one phone number. So you need to have a different account, and then once you add your number you have to just click on arrow icon, and then you know the steps already, right? So basically then you will be logged in into your Telegram account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.